Lulu is an online platform that allows users to self-publish and sell their books, ebooks, and other print-on-demand products. It provides authors with the tools and resources to create, edit, and distribute their work easily. By using Lulu, writers can bypass traditional publishing houses and reach their audience directly. To make money online with Lulu in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. Research and choose your niche. Determine the genre or topic you want to write about. This could be anything from fiction, nonfiction, self-help, or even children's books. Choose a niche you're passionate about or have expertise in, as this will make the writing process more enjoyable and engaging for your readers. Develop your writing skills. Improve your writing skills by reading books, taking online courses, or joining writing communities. Practice writing regularly to enhance your storytelling, grammar, and editing abilities. Plan your book. Create an outline for your book, including the chapters, themes, and main points. This will help you organize your thoughts and ensure a coherent structure. Write your book. Start writing your book using a word processing software like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Set daily or weekly writing goals to keep yourself on track. Edit and proofread. Once you've completed your first draft, thoroughly edit and proofread your work. You can use online tools like Grammarly or hire a professional editor to help you refine your manuscript. Format your book for Lulu. Follow Lulu's guidelines to format your book for publication. This includes formatting the text, creating a table of contents, and ensuring the correct font size and margins. Design your book cover. Create an eye-catching book cover that represents your book's genre and theme. You can use Lulu's cover creator or hire a professional designer to create a custom cover. Upload your book to Lulu. Register for a Lulu account and upload your formatted manuscript and book cover. Set your book's price and royalties and choose the distribution channels you'd like to use, such as Lulu's Marketplace, Amazon, or Barnes & Noble. Promote your book. Market your book through social media, book blogs, author forums, and other online platforms. Offer free chapters or samples to entice readers to purchase your book. Engage with your audience. Respond to reviews, participate in book clubs, and attend author events to connect with your readers. This will help you build a loyal following and increase your book sales over time. By following these steps, you can successfully use Lulu to make money online by self-publishing and selling your books in 2024.